Hey guys, it's Riley at Rouse Thrifted over on Instagram and Poshmark, and today I'm here with a Helpsy Source unboxing. Today I'm unboxing the brand House of CB. That's what it's called, right? I hope so. I've never sold it before. I'm unboxing 10 pieces of liquidation of House of CB from Helpsy Source. I was actually editing a YouTube video, my Urban Outfitters box, if you want to see that. Hopefully it's linked up here. If not, it's on my channel. And I went to their website to read the description or whatever of the box, and I saw this box. They actually must have just restocked because they had like some Reformation and some other good boxes, but I chose this one. It was originally maybe like $365 or something. I had a coupon code, so I paid $315 for 10 pieces, which I should have done the math on. Brings everything out too. I should know this. I'm gonna pause and we're gonna check. Okay, so I was just talking for like 5 minutes and was not filming, so great. Anyway, trying to go back to what I was saying. Remember now, I'm pretty sure each item for my 10 items at $315 for the box, including shipping. I'm pretty sure each item will cost me $31.50. Quick story with this box. It took a little longer to ship than my previous boxes have. It took maybe 10 days to ship, and then I got an email that said it was out for delivery, and I was so excited, and it never showed up, and I was like, what the heck? So I tracked the package, and I put in the wrong address. I had most of the address was correct. It was like the last half of the street name was wrong, and I'm pretty sure what happened is, you know, like you can start typing in your address now and then there's a drop down menu. Pretty sure I just clicked the wrong button. I think that's what happened. So my fault, not Helpsy Source's fault. So I went in and was able to change the address, luckily, before it was delivered, but that added like an extra week to the delivery time. But my box is finally here. It arrived yesterday, and as much as I wanted to sit down and open it right when it got here, I wanted to film it. So, if you don't know anything about this brand, which I don't know much about this brand, I believe it's sold on like Revolve, and I know it's sold at Nordstrom because it's at Last Chance sometimes. They are expensive, and a lot of times their dresses sell used for like $80+. So at $31.50 a piece, I'm hoping I can sell each of these dresses for over $100. That's a hope, because I don't know what I got. And I don't know if anything's flawed. Helpsy Source has like a flaw rate of 15%, I believe. I'm willing to do fixes if necessary because I spent so much per item. I'm hoping I don't have to. Some things I'm hoping for in this box. I know their corset dresses do well, so I'm hoping for some corset dresses. I was actually looking at some on Poshmark for my cousin's wedding back in October, but I didn't want to spend $120 on a dress used. So that's what I'm hoping for, that like some corset dresses so I can charge $120 used. Although I do believe this box is supposed to be new with tag / new without tag. So that really, hopefully helps me push my sale price to over $100. I'm hoping for, not too many small sizes, and also, maybe not too many duplicates. Also not too many, hopefully, bandage dresses. I know some brands do well in bandage dresses. I think theirs does okay, but I just feel like that's not a style that's really in right now. So when I was opening the box, I saw some pink sparkles, so I think I'm just going to pull that out first. Okay, let's get into this box of 10 items and see what I got, and if they have this box again, if maybe you should buy it, or if I should buy it again. Let's pull out the pink sparkles, as it's the first thing I saw. Okay, so first thing I noticed, new with tags. Perfect. So it is House of CB London. Here's what their tag looks like. Let's see what their brand tag looks like. Boop, boop, boop. Brand tag. Is it in focus? Oh wait, I'm kind of pulling it. Whoop. Okay. Oh wait, is it not all dresses? Is it not all dresses? I thought this was a dress box. Okay, well it might not all be dresses, and then that will definitely bring down the average sale price. Probably, okay, yeah, this is not a dress. For some reason I thought I bought all dresses, but I guess it maybe was just a new with tag box, because this is a jumpsuit. It's a new with tag pink sparkly jumpsuit, but it's definitely not a dress. I don't think I can sell this for over $100 Maybe, okay, if by the time this video is up, I have my listings up, I will put them over here, or maybe some comps of whatever each piece is, but this I'm assuming will not sell for over 100. Yeah, I checked comps quickly. Oh, there's a retail price of 113 USD, so yeah, I'm not gonna sell for over 100. Maybe I can get like 80 for that, and so maybe a $20 profit, maybe, which, I mean, it's liquidation, so. Okay, next. Okay, this maybe has some dress potential to it. Okay, yes, this is a dress. Let me see the size. I'm curious what the size on this is. Extra small, so yes, that's not surprising with liquidation. This is a large though, so here's the tag, size large. This is not a style I think they're known for, the brand. At least it's a dress. Oh, is it a romper? Is it a romper? Are there shorts? No, it's a dress. Okay. So, I don't love it, but I was not expecting to be blown away. Retail $119. So yeah, these are not the pieces I was hoping to get. We'll see. Okay, I think this is a bandage dress. Yeah, we got a bandage dress. But I feel like this is probably the best piece in the box so far. Because of the weight to this piece, it is crazy heavy. So let's see, I'll look at the retail in a second. Size small, House of CB, London, bandage dress. Ooh, and it's like a midi. I think this piece will do well. I feel like this could potentially be an over $100 piece. Let's check the retail. $239 for this piece. So yeah, I think this one is definitely going to be help recoup / actually profit decently. Okay, so maybe I should readjust my expectations to each item, hopefully profit $20, and then sell some of like this piece for over 100. That would be great. It was so small. That's okay. It's not an extra small or an extra small. Okay. 3 down. Let's grab our next piece. Okay, this is not a dress. This is not something that's gonna sell for a lot. Okay, maybe this was a bad box. I mean, here's the thing. Like, I knew I was buying this. I was taking a risk. I'm not a liquidation person. I'm the type of person who likes to spend the least amount possible for the most amount profit, which, you know, theoretically, everybody's that type of person. But there's a lot of people who are fine buying liquidation and making small profits quickly, and everyone has a different business model. Okay, so this is just like a long sleeve top with a zipper down the back. I'm assuming this only retailed for slightly over $100. It's an S size extra small, so $105 retail on this piece. Shoulder pad. Yeah, I'm not excited about this piece. For some reason, I thought I purchased a dress box. At least I'm not seeing any flaws. Okay, next piece. Is it a dress? No, I can tell this is a bodysuit. I hope it's a dress. Okay, yes, it's a dress, but like, I feel like this one's okay. It's not got a lot of substance to it. It's a size extra small. It retailed for 164, so can I get a little over 100? I don't know. It depends. It's definitely not that corset dress with, or, I mean, at least that bandage dress retailed high, and like, this is just kind of, it's like it's not flimsy, but it doesn't feel like a lot. Maybe about $80 for this. That would be good. I see another bandage dress. Okay, so maybe the bandage dresses are going to be where the money's going to be at, since, oh wait, it's not a dress. Since I'm not seeing any corset dresses. Okay. This is a size extra small bandage jumpsuit. I did not see comps on their jumpsuits. So, I'm trying to, hopefully there's no flares. It's kind of a flared leg, which is cool. I do think that this piece is one of the higher dollar pieces we've seen so far. It's got lots of crisscross stitching. Okay, let's see the retail on this piece. The retail is $209, so maybe this could be a piece that would sell for over $100. That would be nice. This is a tag. I feel like, correct me if you know more about this brand than I do. I feel like they've updated their tag since then. Like the first tag on the pink jumpsuit, the skinny tag is maybe a more recent tag of theirs. I mean, this is liquidation, so that makes sense. Yeah, I feel like this is a more recent tag compared to that big chunky tag. Maybe I'm wrong. I've never sold this brand, as I've said. I do know some of the resellers in my area grab it at last chance. I don't think I've actually found it there before, though. Okay, how many is that? Is that 5? So 5 more to go. I see some pleather. Some pants. Okay. Yeah, I wasn't hoping for pants and jumpsuits. Okay. So, I don't think these will sell for a lot. I feel like this box is gonna be like $10 profits because my cost of goods is so high. So these retailed for $119. And like, maybe if they sold overnight, that wouldn't be awful. But I have a feeling I'm gonna sit on these for a year and then I'm gonna make a $10 profit. What size were these? These are a medium. That's like a fine size. Definitely not a summer piece though, so probably gonna be sitting on these till fall. Okay, I guess fingers crossed we get a bandage dress. I see velvet. Okay, this looks like, oh, it's pants again. Bummer. At least all the tags have been on here so far. Wait, is this House of CB? This is not even a House of CB piece, is it? This is not. Okay, this is not House of CB, so I'm gonna have to Google this and see what the heck happened and maybe contact them and be like, bruh, you sent me the wrong brand. This is Mistress Rocks, Los Angeles. I don't know anything about this brand. Never heard of it. Yeah, this ended up in here. And the retail is only $85, so I don't want to email their customer service. I really don't. I guess I'm going to Google this brand and see if it's somehow related to House of CB. And if it is, I'm not going to do anything. If it's not, I might reach out. Like, that's just annoying. Like, you're paying a premium for a brand box and it's only 10 pieces and one of them isn't the brand and it's under $100 retail. That's not good. Moving on. Okay, so we got 2 pieces left. This isn't gonna sell for over 100. No, I can tell you. And okay, not new with tags, and the tag is untagged. Size extra small, House of CB. This is probably about a $20 sale maybe, so losing money on this piece for sure. I'm like, not my style, or else I'd rather keep it than try and sell it. Okay, last piece, I guess. Oh, it's not House of CB. It's not House of CB. It's that other brand. It's this Mistress Rocks brand. What? I'm gonna throw up some stuff for this brand on here. So the retail on this is $89. The dress, it's like, what the heck? Not houses. Did I even get 10 pieces? Was this a 10-piece box? It feels like 9. I bet it's probably 10. Okay, so I'm definitely reaching out to them unless this brand, no, it's not House of CB. Like, what the heck? Is it just because it has these, like, they thought this was all new with tag from that one brand? Because it's not. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. 10 pieces, 8 of which are the correct brand, 2 which are not the correct brand. And again, if this was like my Urban Outfitters box, like in the Urban Outfitters box, I did get some of the wrong brand. I got an Aritzia shirt and an Outdoor Voices sports bra. Like, that was 40 pieces. It was cheap, $4 a piece, fine, whatever. This, I paid over $30 a piece. To send me 2 of the wrong brand is ridiculous. I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna pause and look up what this brand is. Like, how did this end up in here? Okay, so I got some information. Apparently, Mistress Rocks is their junior line. They're like how Revolve has like Super Down and some of those other brands. Basically, yeah, so it's like their cheaper brand. And in Helpsy Source's defense, it says so in the description, I apparently just didn't read. I was excited to see the box and bought it and missed that part. And so, yeah, they sent me exactly what they said they were going to. And I do think the reason I thought it was a dress box, even though it says like House of CBD, House of CB clothing, their pictures of the box is only dresses. So I guess I just got a little too excited and was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be good. It's a dress box from House of CB. And while I did read through it, I missed this part, and I missed the fact that it wasn't all dresses. So Helpsy Source is good. They covered their bases. I'm just an idiot. So let's just, go through everything real quick. So we got our 2 Mr. Spock pieces that I hope to make my money back on because they don't retail very high. This piece, I feel like I could profit on. I do feel like I could profit on this piece. Not much, probably $10. This piece I'm gonna hope to get my money back on and sell quickly. This piece I feel like I could profit on maybe between $10 to $20. This piece I think I can profit on, the jumpsuit, the bandage jumpsuit. So I think I can profit. I think I can sell this for over 100, so this is gonna be one of my better profiting pieces. This not new at tag, House of CB jumpsuit with half the tag untagged. I'm hoping to get my money back. I don't know. Like, I just feel it's like so unsubstantial that I hope I can sell this and get $31.50 out of it. I don't think so. I hope to get my money back. Maybe I could profit a little on these. I don't know about this dress. I think since it's a dress and it's new with tags, again, it still looks like a romper, but it's a dress. I hope to profit on this. I hope to. And the last piece that I think was a good piece and that I could profit on is this bandage dress. That's like a midi bandage dress. I think I can profit. I think I can sell this for over 100 and profit on. Okay guys, quick update. So this box has been listed for about 2 weeks now and 1 item has sold. That's better than 0 items, but not looking at fast flips here. So that was my quick pop-in. My thoughts on this box. I got exactly what was advertised to me. I guess what I can say is I will not be jumping to buy this box again. This is not my favorite way to source. I would much rather take $315 and go to Last Chance or go to Goodwill. So I was trying something new. I mean, it wasn't completely new because I bought the other 2 boxes. The videos are on my channel in the past, and I mean, those are more in line with my sourcing because I got paid like for the Urban Outfitters stuff under $5 a piece. This is definitely not. I would much rather take $315 and go to Last Chance and pay $30 Olive for pieces I get to pick out there. I think I'll make my money back, and I think I'll profit maybe $100, which is not what I want to do. I wanted to at least double my money, and I don't think I can do that with this box. I feel like this box is going to feel like it isn't worth my time listing and photographing and all that stuff. So I personally wouldn't recommend this box, but maybe this box is in line with your sourcing and selling strategy. I don't know. Some people do this, and maybe if you don't have inventory, like you can't get inventory, or it's an option. Personally, I have access to really good inventory and relatively cheap inventory. I mean, we all know Goodwill kind of sucks with pricing now, but compared to this, relatively cheap, and I get to handpick stuff. But I have this stuff now, and I'm going to list it, and potentially maybe I'll do an update. I know people do like 90-day updates with their boxes. I feel like this stuff is not really going to sell within 90 days, which is why, I don't know. I'm just rambling at this point. So thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you grabbed one of these boxes, because I'm sure some of you guys did, and let me know your opinion on this box. Would you buy this box? That is all for me. If you guys like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.